Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 9, boys and girls. How are you? Hope all of you are well by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome back to our online platform, NIFS Home School. This is Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School. Dear students, today I am going to conduct an English second paper class for the students of class 9. Let's see what will be taught. It is our today's topic is paragraphs. Today inshallah we shall learn 2 paragraphs, and look, this is our lecture number 8 and homework number 7. So they are the students of class 9. So look here, paragraph number 1 and 2. In the paragraph number 1 the topic is tree plantation, and paragraph number 2 it is your school library. But whenever you will write as a students, you will write my school library or our school library. So look at the first one. Write a paragraph on tree plantation. Your writing should address the following questions. Look, there are 4 questions are given. Number 1, what is tree plantation? How is tree plantation necessary? What happens if the country lacks sufficient trees? How do you encourage people to plant more trees? Answer. Tree plantation means planting more trees in a planned way. It is very essential for our survival on earth. But we are cutting down trees recklessly and thereby endangering our own lives. The world's temperature is getting warmer gradually. Plantation of trees is thus a crying need of the time. Trees help us in many ways. Trees take carbon dioxide, give us oxygen and prevent air pollution. They also give us shelter, shade, food, fruits, etc. They also help our environment in many ways. They prevent soil erosion. They make our soil fertile. They save our from droughts, floods, cyclone, etc. They prevent our region from becoming a desert. Without sufficient trees, there will be less rainfall in the country. The climate will be hot. Different kinds of natural disaster will come. People will suffer from the shortage of food, shade and oxygen. Birds and animals will lose their habitats. There will be no ecological balance. A country should have at least 25% forest lands, but there are no sufficient forest lands in our country. So necessary steps should be taken to have more trees. People should be conscious about planting more trees. The mass media like television and radio can play a great role or vital role in this regard. To lead peaceful life, we have to plant more trees. In our country, July and August are the suitable time for planting trees. During that time, we should plant more and more trees. If we do not plant more trees, our existence will be no longer in this world. So tree plantation is finished. Now we will have your school library. So look here, what is a school library? Where is your school library? Then how is it furnished or decorated? What kinds of books are there in the library? What is your opinion about school library? 5th questions are given. So look here, a school library is a place where collections of books are kept for students and teachers to read or borrow. A school library is an important part of a school. Our school has a rich library. It is in a separate floor. It is large and spacious. It is also well furnished. There are 2 rooms. Boys and girls have separate rooms. The books are arranged in almirah and shelves in rows. There are separate almirahs and shelves for books on different subjects. Besides textbooks, we have books on travel, biographies, history, geography, science, etc. In the library, there is also a librarian. He helps us find out the books to our need. In the reading room, we sit and get absorbed in books. We also collect books from our library to take home and keep with us for a certain period. We are greatly benefited by the library. We can enrich our knowledge by reading books in the library. Our school library remains open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. except on holidays. Our school library is a great attraction for us. Whenever we get chance, we hurry there and have a glance at the books of varied interest. Or different interest. We are really proud of our school library. So look, and this is our homework. Your homework is you will write a paragraph on a book fair. So your title will be a book fair, and on the basis of it you will write a paragraph. Dear students, I hope that you have understood these 2 paragraphs. One is tree plantation, another one is about your school library. And finally your homework is given. It is a book fair. Please do your homework. See see you again inshallah. Assalamu.